Do you remember the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster in 2003? This is when 7 astronauts were killed trying to re-enter the Earth. After the disaster, do you know who they called for the investigation? They called Yale professor Edward Tufte, who is, wait for it, a communication expert. A communication expert? Really? Why would we call a communication expert for a technical problem? What happened is after the liftoff, a piece of foam insulation about the size of a briefcase fell off and hit the left wing. While the space shuttle was in the air, the engineer felt like they clearly communicated the potential life-threatening risk of the tile damage. However, sadly, we know that it was not the case. We all know it. NASA is the ultimate technical expertise. What if we could have avoided that disaster simply with clear communication between the engineers and the management? This disaster proves that we cannot focus and rely only on the technical skills, but we must also focus on the human skills, like communication, collaboration, and relationship. We need both. I have a confession to make. I was once that person who was only focused on getting things done, no matter how I came across. Let's just say I didn't have too much empathy. Now, that may or may not have to do with the fact that I was a young female engineer with a cute accent, working in a man's world. Getting in a lot of arguments? Check. Moody? Check. Aggressive tone? Check. Not understanding why somebody could possibly call in sick? Check, check, check. One day, I had lunch with my mentor, Mike. We sat down, and he asked me, Karine, what's going on with you? What do you mean, what's going on? Well, you used to be so bubbly and fun and smiley, and now what? Well, you're always mad. I'm not always mad. And this is when I started working on Karine version 2.0. We live in a technical world, yet technical skills can be worthless without human skills like communication, collaboration, and relationship. We need both. Has anyone ever taught you how to keep your cool at school? I don't know about you, but I never had any class on how to deal with conflict. Nobody is teaching us how to be human. And this is exactly why I'm here. I want to share with you 6 core human skills that you can learn so you can be more happy, productive, and ultimately more successful. Because it doesn't matter how smart and technical we are if nobody wants to work with us.